Another week, another list of amazing inventions and awesome hacks around the shop. First of all, turning some PVC pipe into a saw in a pinch. Maybe you've got the blades, the actual saw handle is busted. Well, a little heat applied to that PVC piping, bend it, drill a couple holes through, and with a few bolts, washers, and nuts, you've got your own handsaw. Next up, a really handy tool. If you ever have a problem changing the chain on a bike, maybe you need an extra hand. Well, this tool is the extra hand. And again, all made out of material you've probably got around the shop. Some smaller scrap pipe, a bolt, a few nuts, a washer, and you're just about good to go. Watch this. Lock it into place. You can tighten it to shrink the gear, pop the chain on, loosen it, and you're good to go. Next up, a really simple design, a clever adjustable slide for locking in a measurement on your measure tape. And again, all you'll need is some scrap metal. You can bend it with another piece of scrap in a vise, and it'll need to be threaded as well to hold 2 bolts. Now simply take those measurements with the measure tape, use the slide, set it in place, and tighten those bolts. Perfect. Last up, a really handy device. If you need help removing a piece of an old motor or another mechanism that's just stuck on, and you'll use the power of a bolt to pull it out. Again, you'll need some scrap metal in this case, a decent sized piece of profile pipe. The condition doesn't matter, it can be a little rusty, clean that off for your own sake, or maybe give it a paint job before you're all done. Cut out a triangular notch on one side, and then these 3 grooves on the other. Now all you'll need to do is create a piece that'll slide up and down through those grooves. Re-drill some holes into that slide and get the adjustable bolts out. Weld them into place. And once they're ready, now all that's needed is a way to spin that from the top. So weld a handle and a nut to it and just watch it work. Slide it around the stuck-on piece and voila. Thanks again, Mr. Sunny, for more amazing ideas.